Alright. Got my little disco ball. Alright, ladies. Watch out. Get out of the way, girls. Watch out. Get on out here. Alright. Oh. What you think about them chickens? Huh? Think gonna be too early. Come on. Morning, Moonshiner Garage. Woke up bright and early with a text from my sister broke down. So we're going to rescue her off the side of the road. I got Miss Shine up bright and early to go with me. Get up. Get up. We had plans to be working on the Trans Am today. We're like super close to tearing that thing apart. Getting some paint ordered up and start collecting supplies to tape it all off and everything. But that's not what we're doing. We're helping sister. Miss Shine, she's been working on the NITROUS plate giveaway. She came up with an awesome idea. It is now the Moonshiner Garage Kit. And so it's a 2-kit system. She's putting labels on the bottles. We've already got the solenoids. They say Moonshiner Garage on them, really cool. And we got the shirts. Shirt design there at the guy, so we'll drop them right here. Check these out. This is gonna be the new Moonshiner Garage shirts right here. I love the pistons. I love everything about these shirts. The vintage, the white, everything looks the same on the front. So hopefully we still haven't put the math together. I've got to, whatever I could sell that system for, I'm gonna find out how many shirts I gotta sell, and then that's gonna be the deal. And we're gonna set that box to the side. It's all gonna be together, and when we sell all the shirts, then we'll do the giveaway. So.
Jesus Christ.
Anyways, we got that deal going on. What else we got? We got anything else?
We got, I got all kinds of stuff, but it don't have to do with Moonshiner Garage.
Well, anyways, so we got all that going on, and we're rolling up on her now, so let me get this going.
She got tinsel in her hair. You gonna make me a video?
I was like,
oh my God, I'm a cow brother, but hopefully you at least put me on YouTube.
I was like, look at my sister. You want some friends? You want some loved ones? Get you a car hauler. But, you know what's up. You know what's up.
Thank you so much for helping me out, Moonshiner Garage. Getting me off the side of the road. Y'all make sure and go and subscribe.
Anyways, I got it on the trailer. I'm gonna take it back to Moonshiner Garage, see if I can diagnose, see what's wrong, see if I can help my sister, and then get back to what we're doing. Yeah, so make it back home. Got the ramps down, I'll go get in my sister's car. Look at her whopping stick. My sister don't play.
This woman is facing up to 45 years in prison if convicted of an alleged assault this past week.
What's up? And she's probably packing too. She definitely was a peace officer. Get out the car! Get out the car! This place is a disaster. Grease, belt, nasty. No. That's why I work on hot rods, not daily drivers. Yeah. Now this story's absolutely 100% true. You're gonna have to trust me on this. Have y'all ever fell in love with a car only to find out that it's been through more drama than a daytime soap opera? And most of it involves a blind donkey. This is that story. See, I bought this 1999 Trans Am WX6. It's a real deal. Air, ram, the whole 9 yards. It's the kind of car that makes you text your ex and tell her you messed up, girl.
Big mistake.
But this wasn't just any Trans Am. This Trans Am had a past. Before it ended up in this barn, she ran moonshine for the mafia and the cartel.
If you don't have my money for me, I'll crack your head wide open in front of everybody in the bank.
Midnight Missile was her name. She was so fast, she was so famous, that the feds, the locals, and even some rival gang out of New Mexico put her on the most wanted list. She had to disappear. She had to lay low. That's how she ended up in the barn, guys. That front end is sunburnt to death. The dash, it's cracked like a dry lake bed. But the rest of it, it's still perfect. It's still mean.
Right.
Now here's the twist. That barn that it was in, it wasn't empty. She shared it with a donkey, a blind donkey named Willie. Now Willie was a special donkey because he had a hard past himself. Willie's mama was hooked on scratch-offs, and his daddy used to street race down in Tulsa with doing a bunch of gambling. Now Willie was born blind, bitter, and weirdly in love with this Trans Am. Every day that furry bowling ball would squeeze through the barn gap like it was sneaking past a parked Miata. Bam! It'd knock off another mirror. Rub both doors so raw, the paint looked like it got in a fight with a belt sander. So now, I'm repainting the whole thing. New mirrors, new dash, a full respray. All thanks to Willie, the blind emotional support donkey. But maybe, just maybe, he wasn't destroying the car. Maybe he thought it was a weird, beautiful V8 powered horse that needed love. Maybe he felt that outlaw soul buried under all that dust. Now she's coming back, stronger, louder, meaner than ever.
I know it's a heap, but give me a couple of weeks and it'll look like a streamlined butterfly.
And Willie? Now Willie's doing okay because he lives down in a yoga retreat down in Austin. He's still blind, he's still crashing into everything, and still looking for that shiny WS6 soulmate. Now y'all go on and hit that subscribe button after you done heard all that. I'm digging the what's left of the belt out, and let's see. When I was going around this pulley right here, I noticed there was some type of ring right there. What the hell is that? And I realized that pulley that's part of that pulley right there. So we need a new pulley. I guess that some type of housing, a thermostat housing. I don't know, but that's what we need too. Yeah. See what I'm talking about? That piece went on the back. Supposed to keep the belt on. Oh. All right. Tensioner's on, belt's on, fueling's full. Pay me. Am I getting paid? No? Whatever. Not even gonna get my money back?
Probably not.
No? Alright, well, we did a good job.
There's some things we can focus on. 1, we tried hard. And 2, we're still dear friends.
Yep, you're welcome. Alright, Piston, now what? Who's still hanging out with me? Y'all know the Moonshiner likes to play around. We ain't done. Brian and Jake wasn't able to make it today, but we got even better news. The banger I'm keep hollering about, it's going down this weekend, XRP Sunday. We're going to be taking Jake's S10, his little LS jobber. They're going to be practicing on some stuff. I talked Kevin into bringing the Malibu, so we're going to match them up. And then I turned around and got my nephew coming with the old stick shift. So if we all get to show up, that's going to be awesome. So if you're watching and you're close, come by there, hang out with us, come find our pits, and let's have some fun. Also, I want to let y'all know right now, we're going to be doing a little giveaway. We're going to do it right now. All you got to do is comment, I like them, and you can have a chance to win some beer koozies. Let me go show you what they are. Also, I'll show you the NITROUS kit I was talking about in the video. Check these out, guys. Check these out. All you got to do is comment, those are nice. Those are nice, right? Those are nice. And this is the style of the shirts that we're supposed to be making. Not making, buying, whatever we're getting. It's gonna be pretty awesome. I like the vintage look. Stay tuned to Moonshiner Garage because the shirts that I'm talking about, it's gonna put you in to win this NITROUS kit right here. Dual stage, pretty awesome deal. Gonna get personalized Moonshiner Garage tags on them, and the solenoids are Moonshiner Garaged out. So it's a hell of a deal. You're gonna need this system, guys. You're gonna need this system, so you're gonna wanna buy some shirts. You're gonna buy a couple shirts, get one for your old lady, get one for your kids. They're awesome shirts, hell yeah. The reason you're gonna need to buy all them shirts is because October 12th,
what my good friend Thomas here is trying to say is the Super Bowl of truck racing, the tailgate throwdown, is happening October 10th, 11th, and 12th if we need it. You know where to be. Newport Raceway, Newport, Arkansas.
we're gonna be tailgate throwdown. This is full-size truck, mini truck, truck only, Super Bowl, a truck on truck crime on truck. We're gonna have graphic gear photography there, taking pictures. We're gonna have all kinds of stuff going on. This is Streetcar Chronicles. This is Ryan Wing. He's one stepping in. Y'all already see some changing in the videos coming. So I'm inviting you to the biggest truck race in the world and giving you all the horsepower you need to get there and try to get it done. So I'm not giving all that stuff away for free, guys. What I need out of y'all is only one thing. Do anything you can to help push this video forward. Like it, share it, put it on your community page on YouTube, share it on your Facebook friends, anybody that's into hot rods and all kinds of stuff, or somebody that might want to win this. I need to help push this little video and try to help us help me shine. See what I'm saying? Let's get her done.